Have you ever heard of the Philadelphia experiment? It's one of the wildest stories from World War II, a tale of a U.S. Navy destroyer, the USS Eldridge, that supposedly became invisible and even teleported. But what's the real story? Let's dive in. The legend goes that in October 1943, at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard, the military was testing a new cloaking technology based on Einstein's unified field theory. The goal was to make the ship invisible to enemy radar, but something went wrong. Not only did the USS Eldridge vanish from sight, it allegedly teleported hundreds of miles to Norfolk, Virginia, and then back again in just minutes. When it reappeared, the story gets even darker. Some crew members were said to be fused into the ship's metal hull, others went insane, and some just vanished forever. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi horror movie, right? So, where did this story come from? It all started in the 1950s with a man named Carl Allen, who wrote a series of letters to a UFO researcher. Allen claimed he witnessed the entire event from a nearby merchant ship. He was the sole source of this incredible story. However, when journalists and researchers tried to verify his claims, the official records told a very different story. Navy logs show the USS Eldridge was never even in Philadelphia on the dates of the supposed experiment. In fact, it was on its shakedown cruise in the Bahamas. So, case closed. Not quite. Some theorists suggest the experiment was actually a test of degaussing, a real technology used to make ships invisible to magnetic mines, not to human eyes. This process involves wrapping the ship in electrical cables, which could have produced a strange greenish glow, matching some eyewitness accounts. But teleportation, sailors fused to the deck. There's zero official evidence to support these dramatic claims. Modern physics offers another fascinating though highly speculative angle. Could quantum entanglement be involved? This is the spooky action at a distance Einstein talked about, where particles are linked no matter how far apart they are. Some wonder if the intense electromagnetic fields could have triggered a large-scale quantum event. It's a huge stretch, linking a misunderstood naval procedure to cutting-edge physics, but it keeps the mystery alive. Ultimately, the Philadelphia experiment is a powerful legend, a mix of a real naval procedure, a single man's fantastic claims, and a public fascination with secret military tech. It's a classic conspiracy theory that blurs the line between fact and fiction. What do you think really happened? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into history's greatest mysteries.